Good morning YouTube, it is 5 a.m. and I'm riding towards the coastal areas this time.
So good morning once again. We are heading to Kundapura today. So 8 of my friends will join in Shimoga. So now we are approaching the elephant crossing in Sakrepailu. As you can see on the left, there's an elephant you can spot. This is the beauty of Tirthalli Road. This is a beautiful spot.
So right now we are on the Hulikal Ghat on our way to Kundapura. So now we are descending the Hulikal Ghat. And as I've heard, there is a waterfall nearby as we are descending, so let's just keep an eye out.
ಅವ್ರು ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
This is the fall.
So we reached Kundapura, the Coqueiros beach cottages. See you in a bit. Hey, ಏನೋ ಇಷ್ಟು ಉಪ್ಪು ಹಾಕ್ಯಾರ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ज़्यादा हो गया ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಪಾಂಡವಪುರ ಪಕ್ಕ ಉಕ್ಕಡು ಮಾರಮ್ಮ like share subscribe like share and subscribe and tap the bell icon.
Good morning, and this is day 2 of our ride. We are leaving from Kundapura now. Our next destination is in Malpe Beach. We have booked our stay in Sattva Cottages, so I'll catch you when we get there.
So we are in Malpe Harbour. ಈ ಬೋಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ದು ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬೇಕ ಅಲ್ಲ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ
ಬೋಟ್ಗಳು
ಹಾಂ ಇದೇ ಕಾರು ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ Oh no.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel. I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real but
ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡು ನೋ ರೈಟ್ ಬರೀ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡು ಹಾಂ ಈಗ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಈಗ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಬ್ರು ಕಳ್ಳನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಓಪನ್ ನೀನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ
ನೀವು ಬಿದ್ದೋಗ್ತೀವಿ
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ
ಹಾಂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಚಿಲ್ ಚಿಲ್ ಚಿಲ್
ಯಾಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸುತ್ತ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಬೀಚಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಾಗ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಗೋವಾಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇವ್ರು ಇದೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕಡವ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಇವರು ಬರಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸುತ್ತ ಇರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ
Well, like all good things must come to an end. We're now leaving Sattva Cottages, Malpe. Now we'll fuel up our tanks and make our journey back towards home.
ಸರ್ 3 ಬೈಕಿಗೂ 500.
This is all for this video, and we'll see you in my next video. And you know what to do next.
Like, share, subscribe.
Like, share and subscribe.
And tap the bell icon.
If you've watched this video till here, I'm sure you like the content I make on this channel. So please hit that subscribe button and hit the like button as well. Click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Till then, take care, bye bye.